Jamaica Library Service continues to impact communities in a positive way, and in order to do so, they have rolled out a series of new and enhanced programs and services in all public libraries. In the St. James Parish Library Network, public servants, students, and persons with physical disabilities are enjoying the benefits of these initiatives.
St. James Parish Library Network consists of 9 branch libraries, a parish library, a mobile library service, and a special service at the children's ward of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. We also offer a wide array of computer-related services.
Since 2003, the St. James Parish Library has engaged with those representing the physically challenged community and have provided a space to accommodate their learning and developmental needs.
They provide for the blind community on this side of the island what you call audio books. And they do it from home to home, or they will come to our meeting and provide us with any form of service in terms of the audiobooks. They have provided for my blind community at least 2 computers that is specifically assigned only to the blind, fully loaded and fully accessible, and we're definitely grateful for that.
The St. James Parish Library also provides accessibility and excellent customer service to all persons, including members of the security forces, as well as teachers, in order to improve their techniques in the classroom.
It's always good to read. You never know what you'll get about reading something. You learn a new word, you learn how to do something. The staff at the library is very nice, and they're very interactive, and they have no browsing, helping you to find new things, getting information and resources here.
I can upload learning materials to enhance my learning and also my teaching profession.
The library has also provided support to students within the environs, especially those from the neighboring St. James High School.
This library is very useful for my students because we have over 2,000 students, and it's a shift system we operate. We have a small library, and all the students in lower school, they would do library skills, so we don't have the space to accommodate our students for research.
The students are making the best use of the opportunities for their learning and development.
I get access to free Wi-Fi, which I do not have at home. Also, I like reading books, and by coming here, I get to do my SBA, and the Wi-Fi is very fast, and I enjoy the services that I get from the very friendly librarians.
Well, I'm finding the internet and the computer so far very easy and very fast.
The St. James Parish Library Network also provides free computer training for library users in varying age groups.
The St. James Parish Library has always been offering ongoing computer training. However, through the project, we now offer social media training, which include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just to name a few. So we are encouraging members of the public to come down and sign up for membership and experience our wonderful services and programs that we offer.
The St. James Parish Library Network is taking a dynamic approach to providing informational and recreational activities for the public. We therefore encourage you to visit their library now and sign up for free membership and enjoy the benefits.